Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to have everyone here. So guys, we have an emergency vlog today. Actually, I need to push the vlog schedule for today because of this major news that we are going to discuss. So for today's episode guys, the emergency news that I'm going to share is regarding the crazy and inevitable price increase of Louis Vuitton. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I vlog about the latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you guys to please join our growing family by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe and I could welcome you to our growing family. Also hit that notification bell and of course give me the thumbs up. Also guys, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramira5 so you could get the latest updates and provide styling tips. So let us begin guys. So first is I have seen this post via pursebop.com. In this one, so she mentioned that starting August 15th, there would be price increase with the Louis Vuitton Monogram canvas ranging from 11 to 25%. So again, August 15th. So today, the date that I'm filming this vlog is August 14th. So 15th would be tomorrow, and by the time that this video goes out on Wednesday, then definitely the price increase happens. So hopefully before you have seen this, I'm sure you have seen on other Instagram that there will be price increase, so you have already visited your local Louis Vuitton boutiques. And the second update would be from Foxy LV, and she said it's around 11 to 13%, mostly canvas, again mostly monogram canvas. But I think another news that we have to take note of, so Pursebop and Foxy LV mentioned that the first wave of price increase would be August 15th, and Foxy LV mentioned that there would be a second wave of crazy price increase on September 15th. So that would be two consecutive price increases. So guys, remember that for this year, if I am not mistaken, there was already a price increase. So the very first one that I am aware of would be around March. So comment down below guys if there is a previous or a prior price increase before March 2021, because the reason why I could clearly, sorry guys, I'm mumbling because I'm just so a little bit upsetting, or maybe this news is a little bit upsetting. So the reason why I could still clearly remember the price increase last March this year is because I was a victim of this price increase. So if you haven't seen the vlog where I have purchased my Louis Vuitton monogram canvas petite sac flat, I'm going to link it up here and put it in the description box. Just a little bit short story what happened. The very first time that I've seen the petite sac flat in person was February this year. As you know guys, I've just started collecting my Louis Vuitton bags this year. So I've seen this one at Louis Vuitton in SOLAIRE, and I could clearly remember the price that was given to me is around 69,500 pesos. But during that time, I didn't, purchase the bag yet because I felt I needed to think about it like couple of more days. And then, so the next time that we have visited Louis Vuitton would be on a different boutique. So it's at Louis Vuitton Greenbelt, and I purchased it from there. Unfortunately, the time that I purchased it, I was already hit with the price increase. So from 69,500, I ended up paying 75,000 pesos. So if we are going to convert this into US dollars, so that is at least around $100 price increase. So the reason why I wasn't able to purchase it the first time I've seen the petite sac flat, because again, I was a neophyte with Louis Vuitton. I didn't know about the price increase, because definitely if I knew about the price increase back in February, then definitely I purchased that one. So it's a little bit upsetting, but then again, because I super love the petite sac flat, I decided to purchase it there because again, I'm scared of another price increase. So now this year, so we are hearing two consecutive price increases. Again, August 5th, guys, mark your calendars, August 15th and then a second wave September 5th. Wait, let me double check. So that would be September 15th. And again, for the August price increase, that would be around 11 to 25%. And then for the September, it's not stated yet, but let us assume, guys, that Louis Vuitton is going to have the same price increase. Luckily, before this August 15 price increase, I have already purchased a canvas bag from Louis Vuitton. I haven't posted it yet, but hopefully soon. This is one of the unicorn bags. I'm very lucky that I was able to get this one, and hopefully soon I will be able to purchase it. So for you guys, maybe if you're thinking of buying a monogram canvas, I would recommend you purchase them as soon as you can, as soon as you've seen this news, because again, if you are going to wait, we are not sure like how much the price would increase come, let's say, after the second wave. Alright, so just to show you how much price increase Louis Vuitton will be doing with their monogram canvas, again, via pursebob.com, she provided us sample computations. Again, guys, these are just samples just to give us a clear visual aside from my petite sac plat. So the first one, for example, would be the Felici Pochette in monogram, the Maybelline in the May Azure canvas. So currently at LouisVuitton.com, it's $1,170 US, and it could possibly rise to just under $1,300 US. Then of course we have the Neverfull MM in classic monogram. So currently it is priced at $1,540 US, and it could very well jump to upwards of $1,800 US. Then of course the very well beloved Pochette Métis, another extremely popular bag, and it could possibly go up from, so currently it is priced at $2,050 US, the monogram canvas, and again, estimatedly or approximately, it could go up and increase to $2,500 US. Crazy, right? Then just, you know, another example with my petite sac plat, where almost at least $100 US was added. So just take note, guys, like for example, you would miss out on purchasing a monogram canvas from Louis Vuitton, then you miss out on the August 15th, then the inevitable happened, the second wave came September 15th. You could just imagine the double price increase that you would get hit. So hopefully we have a clear visual, and now let's move on to our third point. Alright, for the third point of this conversation, I think with the crazy and multiple price increase that Louis Vuitton is imposing on us Louis Vuitton lovers, we have to understand like why is Louis Vuitton doing this. So the very first point that I would like to mention would be, definitely there's already a clear clue or indication that Louis Vuitton definitely is pushing for leather versus, you know, the monogram canvas that most of us fell in love with. A few examples of this one I could clearly remember during my June visit to Louis Vuitton. I've asked my CA regarding two types of bag. First one would be the Louis Vuitton Papillon trunk. So with the store, they do have the black epi leather, so I'm going to put a short clip here. So that one definitely have asked for the price. Then I made a comment with my CA, what is the price, or I think I've asked her what is the price of the monogram canvas, and she said they are on the same price, so it would be a better option for me. If for example I would be purchasing that, then definitely go with the black epi leather. Then of course I've seen the utility crossbody bag of Louis Vuitton. Again, I've asked my CA and she said it's the same price. So I think this is a clear indication that Louis Vuitton would want the prices of the monogram canvas, if not the same or equal to the leather canvas, at least they are, the difference would be very, very minimal, so that us consumers and Louis Vuitton lovers, like for example, there is just a $100 difference from monogram canvas to a genuine leather, then definitely me personally as a consumer, I would just add the $100, then go for the genuine leather because of course it is genuine leather, it's unquestionable, it's longer lasting, and it looks more luxurious. So I think Louis Vuitton is dead set in making this move, in pushing out the monogram canvas and focusing on their leather goods. One comment that I've also read with First Bob's report regarding the Louis Vuitton monogram canvas, it's their saying of the exclusivity. As we know, with the luxury world, Hermes is number one when it comes to exclusivity, wherein of course they have created a very high demand for their classic products such as the Birkins, the Kellys, and the Constance. Then of course they are only going to produce this in a very limited quantity. Therefore, they were able to make sure that they could increase the prices of this one because the demand is so high, and be able to provide these kind of items just to a number of their clients. And of course, right behind Hermes tail would be definitely Chanel, as we know, and I'm sure you've heard that Chanel has just did also a price increase. And again, I think I've also made a blog review on this one, so I think also Chanel would be wanting to be able to limit the number of customers and have that exclusivity thing with their products, wherein they are only able to provide their very high price, crazy insanely priced products to a limited number of their clients. So I think it is safe to say that Louis Vuitton wanted, the exclusivity, because I think among these three, Hermes and Chanel, correct me if I'm wrong guys, so Louis Vuitton are the ones who still have the I hate to say it, but the entry level type of bag. So definitely it would be their monogram canvas, so the classic monogram, the demi, and the demi azur. So I think Louis Vuitton wanted to eliminate this one because they wanted to have that exclusivity with their product as well. Alright, so last point that I wanted to discuss definitely would be regarding the counterfeiting. So this may be a very understandable reason why Louis Vuitton wanted to scrap out, push out the monogram canvas and just focus more on their leather goods. Because just like with point number 4, right? So since they do have the monogram canvas, which is very attainable for most of us, then definitely a lot of people would have it. Then definitely as a result, Louis Vuitton is one of, as you know, as I think everyone knows of this, Louis Vuitton is one of the most counterfeited products, especially when it comes to their monogram canvas, the demi ebene and the demi azur. So everywhere you go, you could see this one, and I think the counterfeiters are doing an excellent job because I have seen a couple of vlogs here in YouTube wherein they are comparing the legit Louis Vuitton monogram canvas to a fake one. And to be honest guys, I'm not really an expert, but in terms of checking out the authenticity, but OMG, when they're doing the comparison side by side, the quality of the fake or the counterfeit monogram canvas goods are really, really good, and sometimes even better because they have mentioned with the authentic Louis Vuitton bag, there are inconsistencies with the stitches, with the design, etc. But with the fake ones, it's really good and can pass as an authentic product. So it's like what they're doing in pushing out the monogram canvas good. It's like they're hitting multiple birds in one stone. So number one, of course, they're losing a lot of sales, millions and millions of US dollars when it comes to loss of sales due to counterfeit goods. Then definitely they could hit that one. Then of course, they could gain more sales by, of course, creating more demand with their leather goods. So it is understandable, but a little bit sad that Louis Vuitton is already pushing out their monogram canvas. Right, so in conclusion guys, hopefully I was able to share a little bit info regarding Louis Vuitton's price increase. Again, guys, please do mark your calendars. Hopefully, you're able to purchase something from Louis Vuitton before this August 15th price increase. And please do take note, there is a second wave by September 15th. So we are not sure, maybe by December, because as you know, December or Christmas season or holiday season, everyone will want to get a hold of a brand new bag. Then definitely this would maybe another good time for Louis Vuitton's price increase. But hopefully, I think at this point, well, I could understand the price increase, but hopefully they wouldn't do like 2 price increases, or at this point 3 price increases in a year. And hopefully Louis Vuitton would not really, I'm praying that they would not really phase out their monogram canvas. Like what I mentioned, I am just starting my Louis Vuitton journey, and I'm starting to fall in love with the monogram canvas, minus of course the vachetta leather. If they could just maybe do a little bit more of research on how to attack, like for example, the counterfeiting, hopefully they could find ways in order to do that and not just totally phase out the monogram canvas. Because again, monogram canvas of Louis Vuitton, this is very iconic, right? This is very iconic of Louis Vuitton, and it would be very different. Can you imagine, guys, a world without the monogram canvas? How would Louis Vuitton be? I know they do have leather goods that looks like a monogram, or that has a monogram, like for example, the Amphant leather. Then of course, correct me if I'm wrong, the Mahina, like there are dots of the Louis Vuitton monogram. But I think there is a charm, of course, still with the monogram canvas. So please, Louis Vuitton, please don't phase out your monogram canvas and don't increase your prices too much in a year. Alright, so before we end our episode today, let's do comment of the day. I would like to say thank you to Abby Backer, the Borneo girl. Thank you so much, Abby, for watching our vlog regarding the Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch, and thank you for subscribing to our YouTube channel. Welcome to our family, Abby, and I will see you on our next vlog episode. Again, guys, I'm inviting you to join our growing family. There's a small little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe. And I would say welcome to our family. Also hit that notification bells. So 2 vlogs I publish every week, so every Wednesday. And of course, Saturdays are for our shopping vlogs. Also, give me the thumbs up for more videos like this. Guys, please do follow me on Instagram.com/RamiraFi so you can get daily updates in styling tips. Guys, I forgot to mention, so before we end our vlog, on another note, on a personal note, guys, so I got a great news. So for today, so August 14th, I just got my first dose of vaccine. I'm very happy and very thankful. I'm going to post a short clip here, but the reason why I wanted to share this to you is a non-luxury topic, but I will want to encourage everyone. So if you haven't got vaccinated yet, please do so. This would be very good not only for you but for the people that we love surrounding us, for our family. So please do get vaccinated and stay safe always.
Hi guys, so hope you could hear me. So currently we are at the vaccination site and we are going to get vaccinated. So I just wanted to film this because I wanted to encourage everyone to get vaccinated as soon as possible. Stay safe and healthy.
Guys, a million thank yous for joining me and staying with me on this very emergency and very hot topic episode. I super appreciate your time, and please do stay safe. Watch out. On Saturday we have a new shopping vlog coming out. Stay safe. I will see you. Bye.